The exam season is here, and you will see me waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning to writing my first ever exam and about my experience till the happiness of my last exam. So, hey, you all, welcome back to another vlog. This is the morning of my first exam day, and I woke up at 5 a.m. after sleeping at around 12 a.m. in the morning. Today I had exams of two subjects, that is anatomy and physiology, and here I was revising my physiology topics. At this moment I was very nervous about my preparation because there was no time for my any other preparation. Last night I don't know why मुझे नींद नहीं आई and I decided to wake up at around 3 o'clock in the morning, but I ended up waking at around 5 a.m. in the morning. At this moment मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था, इसलिए मैं सब कुछ रिवाइज करते जा रही थी और अपने प्रिपरेशन पे फोकस कर रही थी. लास्ट में कुछ टॉपिक्स भी बच गए थे बट मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था, इसीलिए मैंने बस उन्हें ऊपर से देख लिया. स्टडिंग फॉर एन आवर आई डिसाइडेड टू गेट रेडी फॉर माई कॉलेज, सो आई पैक्ड ऑल द एसेंशियल थिंग्स व्हिच वर नीडेड फॉर माई एग्जाम्स लाइक द हॉल टिकट, द पेन and the other essential things which were required. मेरा भी लिया, देखो मैं बहुत बड़ी हूँ. ये हवा की तरह आज हवा हो जाने वाला है, मेरा पेपर उड़ जाएगा. The paper was so unexpected. The paper was so unexpected that being passed is also an expectations for us. So, too much disappointment. My hostel, my this paper was not too good because it was a bit tough. There were two papers, actually two subjects, so anatomy was difficult and the physiology was a bit easy for me because anatomy had 10 marks question which was very unexpected and I was unable to write that answer. So I'm feeling so disappointed because I read that topic but the important one did not come and the unexpected question came that too for 10 marks, which is the highest marks. So I'm very disappointed with my anatomy paper, and now it is around 1:30. I'll have something. I did not even sleep yesterday night. I just slept for 2 or 3 hours, and it is so disappointing. I can't express. So now let us take bath, get ready, and we are having a day after yesterday also. One another exams, it is also like psychology and sociology. It is also a tough one, so I'm thinking to have a good bath and then clean my room because it is too much of messy. See, I have not even folded this, so I'll eat and I'll take a good nap first. I did not even have something, so yeah, now let us take some rest and from evening we'll start preparing. This is for us today, and even say hi to Habiba. Chai chai. And this is the chai. today is non-veg in our dinner. So this is the eagle which has come here, and it was one more. It went and the crow. There are aunties will be washing chicken, so they are cooking the chicken crumbs and having. So wanted to share about my life update, what is going on in my life. As my life is so unpredictable that the moment I think that I should be motivated and do my things properly and be happy in my life, I feel the next moment gives me a reason to cry. The next moment is the reason I should cry, and I'll be facing so many emotional things, and be it a physical problem, emotional, mental breakdowns. These are the main things that I can't even understand why this 2 days of happiness turns into sadness, and how I'm even not understanding what should I do to overcome that. So during my exams, I'll be having mental breakdowns, and I'll be so helpless that time that I feel that I should be in my home, and I miss my home too much, and that's it. I can't. Hey guys, how are you all? So today is the next day, and yesterday I did not study much. So now we are having today 1 day gap, and tomorrow is our psycho and social paper. So now it is around 1, and I took bath, and I even completed one study session. So let's just have food, and then again we have to sit because there are 2 subjects, and even these are kind of difficult. So yes, ये करने की आदत होगी अब. So yes, let's just go. And one more thing guys, tomorrow is our last exam, and then we'll get a chance to go to our home for around a week. I feel still the dates are not clear, but yeah. So in the last vlog I went for the grocery shopping, and I bought some snacks for myself, and in that, if you have seen my last video, I even bought one bingo chips in that too Korean style. So this one. So I was very eager to taste this. So I even opened this. So it is 2x spicy, but that spiciness we can't even taste. Yeah. So let's just have my lunch, and this is our last exam, that is psychology and sociology, and we are heading to our college. We all are a bit very nervous because this is kind of theory paper, and we have to remember everything. So let's just see till what time our memory will be with us. I did not have my breakfast. I think I saw that, and let's go there and revise something. So you can see happiness on my face because after this exam we can go to our home. So we are very excited, and almost for 1 week we are having holiday.